Hello, good morning, everyone. So let's have our daily briefing for today, and let's have a quick market recap on yesterday's data. All right. So yesterday we only have inflation rate data for US. So first things we have the yearly basis for the month of December. So the previous data was 6.8%, and the market forecast at 7.1%. And the release time last night was 9:30 p.m. And for the actual data, it was 7%. So lower than the market forecast, but it's better comparing on the previous data, but still did not beat the market expectations at 7%. And we also have the inflation rate data for US, but monthly basis for the month of December as well. So the previous data was 4.9%, and the market forecast at 5.4%. And the actual data, surprisingly, it beats the market forecast at 5.5%. So overall, the data for US last night was neutral since it was a bad data for the yearly basis, but it's better on the monthly basis. So let's take a look on some currencies first. We have the euro dollar. So 1 hour after the release of the inflation rate, the price of the euro dollar moved in a range of 50 pips 1 hour following this data. And it ended on a bullish trend of 44.2 pips. So euro dollar benefited for this event. Also, we have the British pound against the dollar. So 1 hour after the event, the price of the pound against the dollar moved for about 45 pips, and it ended with a bullish trend of 43.2 pips. So both currencies benefited from the data, even though it was a neutral one for the inflation rate for US. And for today's economic data, so for the European session, we don't have much, but for the US session, we only have to focus on the weekly initial jobless claims. So for this week, the previous data was 207K, and the market consensus at 200K. And you also have to pay attention on the PPI data, or the Producers Price Index, yearly basis for the month of December. And also we have the Fed's Brainerd speech later at 11 p.m. And for our key product for today, we have gold. Okay. So for gold, as of the moment during this session, the current price is around 1825 per ounce. So with this one, for few consecutive days, the momentum is still on the upside. But for today's range, I will be closely monitoring at 1831.34 and 1836.25 for the key resistance, and for the key support, we have the 1817.77 and 1809.78 respectively. So once again, for the US session, we have to focus on the weekly initial jobless claims, followed by the PPI data, and we also have the Fed's Brainerd speech. All right. Thank you everyone for joining our daily briefing today. Stay safe and have a great day.